Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use JavaFX in IntelliJ. First, let's set up your project. Open IntelliJ IDEA and select New Project. From the Project Wizard, choose the JavaFX template. Make sure your Java Development Kit, or JDK, is properly configured. You can also select your preferred build system, such as Maven or Gradle, to manage your project dependencies efficiently. This initial step is crucial for a smooth development experience. Next, you'll need to add the JavaFX libraries to your project. Head over to the official OpenJFX website and download the latest JavaFX software development kit. Once downloaded, extract the contents to a location you can easily access on your computer. Then, in IntelliJ, go to Project Structure, select Libraries, and add the JavaFX SDK modules. Point to the lib directory within your extracted JavaFX SDK folder. Now, let's configure your run settings. Go to Run, then Edit Configurations. Here, you'll need to add some virtual machine options. Specifically, include the module path to your JavaFX SDK's lib directory. This tells Java where to find the necessary JavaFX modules. Also, ensure your main application class is correctly specified and that you are using a compatible Java version for your project. This step is vital for successful execution. Finally, it's time to build and run your JavaFX application. First, build your project to compile all your source files. Then, simply click the Run button in IntelliJ IDEA. If you encounter any issues, double-check your module paths and virtual machine options. With these steps, you're all set to create engaging and interactive desktop applications using JavaFX within the powerful IntelliJ IDEA environment. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.